we are inside the airplane now. We are bored and we are ready to go. I guess flight time is 12 hours from here, Seattle to Taipei. How you doing, Jackie?
Doing good, getting tired.
Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye. Alright guys, we just landed in Taipei, Taiwan. It's 5 o'clock here in the morning, so it's early in the morning, and we have our connecting flight to Clark at 8:50 this morning, so we still have a few hours for stopover. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thank you.
C7, right?
T2, C7.
C7. Okay, we're trying to find our connecting flights, guys. We have to be at gate C7. Alright, we are at Taipei International Airport, guys, and we found our gate. It's actually so easy to find it, so there's no problem. It's a very nice place here. They're open early in the morning. Victoria's Secret. You have to go down. We'll wait here. Go ahead. Put your stuff in. walking around here in Taiwan airport. It's a very nice airport, guys. It's 5:30 in the morning actually. Everybody's already up and about and they are working really early. They're open really early, guys. Amazing. Got vendors in here. Alright guys, we are just waiting boarding here probably about an hour from now. It's a beautiful day today outside. I'm not sure how hot it is. We're inside the airport. It's cooler in here, so I don't know how hot it is outside. Anyway, we are waiting to get boarded, and we should be start boarding here in an hour. And our next destination will be in Clark, so I cannot wait, guys. We're heading to our final destination, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, we are boarding. I'll see you guys later. We'll see you guys at Clark Airport. Bye.